When I did the original review on the RO90DX, I talked about its edge performance, but I never actually showed it. Well, this morning, I cut a piece of cocobolo, and I got a little bit of a burn here from the miter saw, and also I did a 2-pass cut in order to get a good clean edge on both sides, but I pushed on the blade sideways a little bit, and so I got a little bit of a mismatch here. I'm not sure if that's going to show in the video. It's really slight, but it's there, and this is going to be an exposed edge. So let me just show you how quickly and easily the RO90DX cleans this up. Now I'm just using 220 grit here. And in fact, this isn't even a new piece of abrasive. This is quite used. Just realized I'm using this thing on about half speed. Completely gone. Okay, there. We've got a nice clean edge that is just smooth and slick. I mean, it is glass-like. And the important thing is that this edge is even sharper than when I started. I wish you could reach out and touch it. It's almost like touching the end of a chisel. It is so sharp and crisp.